Hyundai Motor Company, often referred to simply as Hyundai, is a South Korean automotive manufacturer founded in 1967. Over the decades, Hyundai has grown from a small, local brand into a global automotive powerhouse known for its innovation, quality, and customer satisfaction. The company offers a broad range of vehicles, from compact cars like the Hyundai Elantra to large SUVs, such as the Hyundai Palisade, catering to a variety of consumer needs and preferences. One of Hyundai's most notable achievements is its commitment to eco-friendly technology. The company has invested heavily in the development of hybrid, electric, and hydrogen fuel cell vehicles. Models like the Hyundai Ioniq and Kona Electric have received widespread acclaim for their efficiency, design, and performance. Additionally, Hyundai's NEXO, a hydrogen fuel cell-powered SUV, is one of the few commercially available vehicles of its kind, showcasing the brand's leadership in sustainable automotive technologies. Hyundai also places a strong emphasis on safety and innovation. Many of their vehicles come equipped with Hyundai Smart Sense, a suite of advanced driver assistance systems that include features such as forward collision warning, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. These technologies not only enhance safety, but also provide a more comfortable and convenient driving experience. In terms of design, Hyundai collaborates with top designers and engineers to create vehicles that are not only functional, but also aesthetically pleasing. The brand's design philosophy, known as Sensuous Sportiness, aims to harmonize the emotional value of a vehicle with its performance capabilities. This results in cars that are both stylish and practical. Hyundai has also made significant strides in the realm of connectivity and infotainment. Many of their models are equipped with advanced infotainment systems that support Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring that drivers stay connected while on the move. The brand's Blue Link connected car service offers a range of features such as remote start, climate control, and even the ability to find your car in a crowded parking lot using a smartphone app.